Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about Brevo, or more formally known as Sendinblue. So Brevo is a email marketing website that is mostly dedicated to small and medium-sized businesses, and they have a few different pricing plans that they offer based on your needs. So as you can see here, they have the free plan, they have the starter plan, they have the business plan, and they have the Brevo Plus plan. So the free plan, as you can see here, it offers 300 emails per day, so that's the limitation that they need. You have customizable email templates, drag and drop and editor, transactional emails, and also the SMS and WhatsApp campaign. Then you have the $25 plan, so $25 a month. It offers everything that the free plan offers, plus it offers 20,000 emails a month with no daily sending limits, so no more 300 emails per day. No Brevo logo, which I believe is something that you can pay extra to. You need to pay extra for. You have basic reporting and analytics, and then email support. Then you have the business plan, which says here is their most popular plan, built for marketing managers and e-commerce pros. That is priced for $65 a month, and it offers 20,000 emails per month. It offers marketing automation, A and B testings, advanced statistics, multi-user access, and phone support. And then you have the Brevo Plus plan, which is a plan for large organizations or large corporations. And as you can see, the price is custom, so based on what you need. And it offers enterprise-grade security, advanced integration, sub-account management, tailored onboarding, personalized support, and a flexible contract. As well as these pre-formed plans, you have an option to customize your plans. So as you can see here, if you know exactly what your monthly email volume is, you can tailor it to that need, and it will calculate your price based on that need. You also have these extra features that you need to pay for, so you can remove Brevo branding, you can create SMS and WhatsApp campaigns, email credits, or dedicated IP. Now, these things are basically for people that maybe have different needs based on their month-to-month plans, and you can just basically per month you can change your plans. You can act accordingly. But if you have a plan that you want to use for a longer time, for a year, you have the option to pay yearly, and then you can save 10% on the price of the plan. So I would say that's very, very useful, and it's also very useful that you can tailor the needs of the plan, so you're not stuck with just what the preformed plans are. So yeah, these are the pricing plans for Brevo, and I hope that this video is helpful to you, and thank you for listening.